Hi everyone, Mr. Schermerhorn here, STC music instructor. I'd like to take you through navigating the fun, cool, and exciting world of Padlet. So I'm here in MUSI 1306, Music Appreciation. Let's scroll down and look for a module that has one of the Padlet assignments. Now click the disclosure triangle for Module 1, the Elements of Music. Now let's go to Week 3, Elements of Music 2, then click on Padlet 1, Are You Listening? Next, View Assessment. Please take notice of the prompt which says, please write directly on the Padlet. In the submission box, put your name, course number, and section. Now, I would do this after you have already completed the assignment. Let's take a moment to do that now for practice. All right, now we've got the information in there, but again, do that once you've completed it. So to complete the assignment, really you just got to double click anywhere on the Padlet and go. It's really that simple. Now another option is to hover over the plus sign. That will turn into a pencil on most devices, and then just type. So what about those icons that you see up there? So the first icon is a star. That's for making a bookmark. In some browsers, they're called favorites. All right, the second icon has stacked arrows opposing directions. This is for remakes if allowed by the admin of the Padlet. Now it might be grayed out in some courses. If this is available and you click it and then try to type your response, it will come out as anonymous. Use the remake option if available only when you're trying to copy the Padlet with admin permission because you are so moved by the awesomeness. All right, so what about that third icon? It's a single directional arrow. It's used for sharing the Padlet. If you click the share icon, it will open the Padlet. And you could type on it, but it will show anonymous as well. Please keep in mind that if you do share the Padlet, it may not be viewable by others based on the admin settings. Okay, and the fourth icon, this is a square with a diagonal arrow. It'll open the Padlet in a new window. This is the one I'd recommend using. This logs you into the Padlet app through Blackboard Ultra. And that's really cool. So if we want to have app access, what you want to do is first, we want to go to the Start Here module. And once you're in the Start Here module, we need to navigate to Technical Support, Blackboard Help Support, and Apps. Okay, once you're in there, we scroll down to where it says Download Padlet. Right? And in that area, you're going to see a link, and it says South Texas College Padlet link. You will use your STC username and password. Good to go. You can also use the app on any phone or tablet. You just need to make sure to connect it with South Texas College. And there you have it, folks. Padlet made fun, and as you can see, the tech is super friendly. I hope this video is helpful, fun, enjoyable. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. Cheers. Have a great day. I'll see you in class.